Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 ML1 Airports. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. And please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing Economics, Java, C++, Python, MyLab Math, and Macroeconomic courses. If you need help in any course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is that XP25 Excel Chapter 3 ML1 Airports. Increase the font size for a proper view in my video and highlighted this. This is the title of assignment. Okay, and you can see project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on next and increase the font size for complete instruction file for a proper view in my video. Okay. This is the first question of this assignment. Start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel Chapter 3 ML1 Airports. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson at Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. Opening my file. Okay, click on enable editing button. Okay, now I will start next question to step by step. You want to create a cluster column chart to depict the passenger count at the 6 airports over several years. Create a cluster column chart for the range A4 to L10. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A15. Simply in this question, we will create a cluster column chart using this range A4 to L10. We will select this range A4 to L10 and then we will create a cluster column chart. We will go to our Excel workbook and then we will select this range in the Excel workbook. Okay, we will go to the insert tab in the charts group, go to the all charts, go to the cluster column chart and then click on OK button. Cluster column chart will be created. Okay, you can see click on OK button, then cluster column chart will be created now. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A15. Simply, we will click on the chart, go to the home tab in the clipboard group, click on cut button. Now we will paste this chart in cell A15. Okay, this chart is have cut and paste in cell A15. Now we will move on next question. The next question of this assignment is question number 3. You want to customize the column chart with a chart title. Display the years as a data series. Enlarge, sorry. Okay, enlarge the chart to be easier to read and apply a chart style. Enter passengers count at the top US airport as the chart title. Okay. Swap the data on the category X and to the legend. Set 3.5 inches height and 11.4 inches width. Apply the style 7 chart style. Okay, basically this question, first we will enter a chart title. Passenger counts at top US airport as the chart title. We will copy this chart title and then simply we will paste this chart title at the chart title. Okay. You can see this chart title passengers count at top US airports. Now we will move on next point of this question. The next point of this question is that swap the data on the category axis and it's the legend. We will go to the chart element button, click on chart element button. Sorry, we will go to the chart design tab and then we will swap the data on the category axis and to the legend. We will swap the data click on the this, go to the switch row columns button in the data group. Data will be swapped right now. You can see here. Now we will move on the next point of this question. The next point of this question is that set 3.5 inches height and 11.4 inches width. We will set width and height of this chart. We will go to Excel workbook, go to the format tab. In the size group, 3.5 inches is height and 11.4 inches width of this chart. 11.4 inches is width of this chart. Increase and set on 11.4 inches. Okay. Okay, this is the 11.4 inches of this chart width. Apply the style 7 chart style. We will go to the chart design tab in the styles group, chart style group, apply chart style 11 on this chart. Sorry, 7. Okay, I have applied 7 style. Now we will move on question number 4. The question number 4 is that the value axis takes up a lot of space for the numbers. You will adjust the value axis to simplify it. Change the display unit to millions for the value axis. Edit the axis to display millions of passenger. Okay, okay, 1 second. Display the right click on this, click on format axis, display the unit to millions. Okay, display the unit to millions and then edit the axis title to display millions of passengers. Edit the axis title to display the millions of passenger. We will click on the axis title and then we will edit this millions of passenger. Copy and paste here. Okay, this is good. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 5 of this assignment. I have done 4 questions right now. Question number 5 is that you want to focus on the 2023 data series by adding data labels. Okay, if you do not able to do this assignment, contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. Please focus on my PC screen. I am doing question number 5 of this assignment right now. Okay, display data labels above the columns for the 2023 data series only. Outside and position. Okay. We will select 2023 data series and then we will display the data label above the column, outside and position. We will go to our Excel workbook, click on the data labels for chart 2023, display data label above the columns. Right click on this, go to the data label and then click on above the column. Here is outside and position. Okay, click on outside and position button. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 6. The question number 6 is that applying a fill color to chart area will make the chart visually appealing. Apply the light gradient acid 1 gradient fill color fill to the chart area. We will apply the light gradient acid 1 gradient fill to the chart area. Click on the chart area, right click on this, click on format chart area, go to the fill color, go to the gradient fill color. Light gradient fill color is here. Okay, on the chart area, close the task pane. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 7. The question number 7 is that a best practice is to add all text to a chart for accessibility compliance. Okay, we will add all text. The column chart displays the number of passengers. We will have to add all text for this chart. Copy this all text, right click on this chart, click on all text button and then we will type all text in this box and we will copy and paste simply. We will type here the columns chart. The column chart displays the number of passenger. Displays the number of passengers. Display the number of passengers. You can copy and paste here, or we will type here the numbers of passengers. Passengers. Okay, number of passengers. 1 second. passengers. Okay. All text is added now. Now we will move on the next question. Enter this. Okay. Close the alt text pane. Close this alt text pane. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 8 of this assignment. The question number 8 is that you want to create a bar chart to display passenger counts for only for the last year of data. Create a clustered bar chart for the range F5 to A10 and L5 to L10 and move the chart to a chart sheet named bar chart. Basically in this question we will have to create a clustered bar chart using these two range. We will First we will display passenger counts for only year sheet. Okay, enter this range. First range, press Control, and then we will select second range L5 to L10. Select second range, press Control, and then select second range. Then we will go to the insert tab, and then we will create a cluster bar chart. We will go to the insert tab in the charts group. Go to the bar chart, and then create a cluster bar chart. Click on OK button. Cluster bar chart will be created, and move the chart to a chart sheet name bar chart. Now we will move the chart to a bar sheet name bar chart. 1 second. We will move this chart to a go to the location group. Click on move chart button. Click on new sheet. The new sheet name is bar chart. Click on OK button. This chart will be moved on the new sheet. The new sheet name is bar chart. You can see I have done 8 questions of this assignment right now. Total question of this assignment is 16. I have done half assignment in my video for remaining question, and if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. And I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.